Alrighty, story time. I guess someone watched my other reel a couple of days ago. I'm working on the shed. Catio. I see someone allegedly come out. I see her going from one section, boom, 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 back and forth. Then I see her grab this and start walking to the car. Right away, I knew someone's a fan. I'm just working. I just watching her going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm like, what is she looking for? After a while, I'm like, all right, what do you need, dude? She's like, I need those ramps. I'm like, ramps for what? Change the oil. So she went to watch a YouTube video. Watch some dude. The dude said you need some ramps. But this fucking dude's been changing his oil this way for who the fuck knows how long. And she watched me do it. Not watched me. She's seeing me from the window or whatever. She could have came out to learn, you know? Nope. So, I don't know. She watched a 2-minute video. And then she was an expert. And then she's looking for the stilts. I'm like, you don't need it. And I tell her, you don't need it. You don't need them. You can do it without it. And she's laughing at me like, no, I need them. Where are they? She's looking underneath my wood pile, my shit pile, every fucking pile. Oh, I'm like, dude, you don't need it. And she's still like, rah. I'm like, all right, go take a nap. Go eat something. Anyway, she thought she was gonna be able to do this. Yeah, she did the Jeep. I taught her how to work on the 2002 Jeep Liberty. This ain't the same shit, homie, as you can see. Oh yes, I know. It comes with the fucking thing for this. First time I did it, I put this plastic thing in here, and I couldn't get it out. I was like, oh, fucker. I'm about to brick this fucking car over this thing. It did not want to come out. So now I just do this. Or whatever I have. Fucking pencil, the pecker, whatever fits in there. Alright. So yeah. She was going to come here and try to do this by herself without me helping her. Because she worked on a Jeep. And then, yeah, I'm pissed off too. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Texas, Lexus, Bexus. Extra fucking work. Oh, it's better. I don't fucking care. I pay the same price. I just want to take it off, put it on. Look at all the fucking work you're making me do, homie. Look at everything I fucking need to get this job done. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, look at this shit. Sometimes this is the new PB Blaster. Shit doesn't want to loosen up. You gotta lube it up. Dolce & Gabbana, you know? And if that shit don't work, you gotta fucking check it. You gotta, this is the grease gun. This matter shut off, so I had to fucking take it off my glove just to hit play again. Ooh. Make sure you put fucking cardboard down. You're not built fucking like this. You want to do, no, mama. Alright. And you take this. And you take this. Take this. This is free. They don't show you this shit. This is behind the scenes. Check the level. Make sure, because this is, you know, it's torqued. If you don't check the level, that shit's fucked, dude. Shit's fucked. Oh, these rocks are a little rough. Alright. She's like, I'm like, you're not gonna be able to cut this off. Why? You probably tightened it. I'm like, yeah, I did tighten it. I need the extension over there. Oh, no, okay. See, homie, I tightened it, but because I tightened it, I tightened it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Well, after today, you can watch this video and then holla at me. I'll teach you how to do it. Teach you how to Dougie. A Dougie. Teach you how to Dougie. What's her name? Oh, she did the Dougie. Kate Upton. The Dougie. This is like fucking 20 years ago. Alright. I had a rag somewhere. But, I mean, she had step 1 set up right here. My working environment. Alright. We don't want to get none of that into the car. Where's that rag, homie? Ooh la la. Alright, we'll cut this shit out. Rag and I got where the fuck did I get this paint from? Oh shit. Alright, it runs better with paint. Alright. Oh no. Yeah, that's the shit. One in and then one come on. I was like, I ain't fucking with that. You spit on it a little bit. Hail Mary Dairy. Alright. It's all about the prep work, homie. They say you get a flat screwdriver. Where's my flat screwdriver? Make sure you gotta be real careful. And then they show a fucking picture like 100 times. Do not put it here. So how many people put it here, had a leak, and probably fucking sued Toyota? That they had to tell fucking idiots 100 times. It go here, no here, okay? Alright. Yeah. Every time they give you a new color. Yeah, I'm already lubed up here, so you can tell. Check it, make sure there's nothing in there. I mean, what's the point of putting a gasket if you got a fucking rock or a zinger or a dinger or a fucking pecker in there ready to take you out? You can see this could be done a lot quicker. I'm teaching. It takes more time, homie. Like every time you don't have to change. Like how much fucking rubber we're wasting, Toyota? This show probably lasts 10 fucking years. No. You guys wanna fucking sell me a kit. I don't need a kit. I'll kit these balls. Alright, Toyota. You need the stands. Yeah. Sure. There's a fucking stand. As I stand. Alright, yeah, we should have opened the top a little bit. Let's see. But this shit's behind 3,000 miles. It's probably fucking low anyway. You know, it's her car. Yeah. Alright, that should do it. Alright, take this. You have to stop the oil before you put it in. To say, see, like that. Oh yeah, see, and at the same time you're lubing up your tool. Look, this fucking guy, man. Look at that. Oh, see that? That shit will never rust. Alright, take out the fucking torquer. Yeah, I don't know if this fucking 6 quarts here. That shit's looking a little low. I say check the oil. Go watch that fucking YouTube guy. Holy shit. Alright. There's my man. Goes. Where is it? From fucking Honda. Hold on. Alright. One more. Maybe that's too tight. But I like it. Alright. And that's it. I mean, I think we're going to be at 6 minutes for this. Because Meta goes at 3 minutes at a pop and she hasn't beeped yet. Could have probably did it in 3 minutes if I was really motivated, homie. Well, I mean, I'm not going to show you the fill-up part if you can't figure that fucking thing out. Go back to school. Alright. Meta shut off. I mean, that means we're at 6 minutes. Fucking 6 minutes to do this shit. You go to a car shop. Alright, come back in 4 hours. 4 hours! And then you say you can do it yourself and they fucking look at you. Fucking look, I'm lifting the car. Alright. And then you gotta make sure you wipe everything good to check for drips, alright, homie? And that's it. This thing takes 6.4 quarts. Like, come on, fucking Toyota. 6.4 every time I gotta buy fucking extra. You couldn't design it for 5? Holy shit. Which engineer did that shit? He must have been proud of himself. I'm gonna do 6.4 quarts, okay? So these fucking idiots gotta buy not just one 5 quart, but maybe 2 of them. Or 2 individual ones, but the 2 fucking individual ones cost more than the fucking 5. So then you're fucking driving around with 10 quarts of fucking oil. Woo! Woo! Like, does it make sense? Holy shit, am I fucking sleeping? Alright. Oh, I forgot this is, you put this on when you don't want to listen to people's bullshit anymore. Like, alright. I gotta go to another job. I don't know how to show them how hard this fucking thing is. Maybe not she'll watch my YouTube video. I doubt it. But it's always like that in a relationship. They never know nothing. It's always the stranger that knows everything. Holy shit. Alright. Look, no fucking leaks. I didn't even put no oil in. You can tell there's no leaks. Alright. Oh no, you need stilts. Yeah. Right here, my stilts. Let me show some stilts. Oh, alright. Fucking stilts. Whatever the fuck you call those fucking ramps. They're ramps. There you go. Alright. There we go. Easy peasy. I'm going to take a break and clean all this shit up. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Margaritaville. Alright, here's what I'm talking about. This shit's 5 fucking quarts. This fucking thing wants 6.4. So now I'm like a fucking scientist. And then I check it's still always low, no matter what the fuck I do. For gasoline engines only. What if I don't use gasoline? So many big words. 10x, performance, protection, critical, fucking. You think this shit's made out of gold, homie? But then it's fucking. You read the fucking ingredients. It's probably made out of water. Probably, right? You Google this shit. It's fucking 95% water, 5% synthetic. All right. Good night.